This is a Bluetooth access control. We first enter the app, bind the device. Click to add a device. Scan the QR code behind the access control. The binding is successful. Now the app pops up the device number of the bound Bluetooth. This device number can also be changed to a name that can be easily identified by ourselves. Let's slide the lock now. The indicator light turns green, indicating that the lock is successfully unlocked. In addition to app Bluetooth unlocking, the access control also supports IC card, shaking and sharing unlocking. Let's first set up the IC card. Click on the setting interface to enter the card management. The setting mode is divided into automatic and manual methods. We first use the card that has not been added to unlock the lock. The indicator light is red, indicating that the lock cannot be unlocked. We then use the manual method to add the IC card. The indicator light turns green, indicating that the card has been added successfully. We then use the added IC to open the access control. The indicator light turns green, and the relay rings, indicating that the unlocking is successful. Let's set the shake interface again. Click Shake to turn on the shake function. The sensitivity here can be adjusted freely. Select the device, and confirm. We are now using Shake to unlock. The indicator light turns green, indicating that the shake to unlock is successful. In addition, this Bluetooth access control can share the unlocking authority to your family or friends by sharing code or QR code. Let's first demonstrate how to share the sharing code. For accounts that need to obtain unlocking permissions, send their share codes to the master account. Click on My Sharing Code. Copy the sharing code and send it by SMS or Facebook, etc. Paste the sharing code. Select the contact method of the main account. Click Send. And the main account will receive the sharing code. Copy the sharing code. Enter the sharing code of the account you want to share. Confirm. Select the device to be shared. Here you can choose the sharing account, and here you can share in time periods and permanently. Let's demonstrate the time sharing. The date and time can be adjusted at will. Confirm and share successfully. We use the successful sharing account to open the access control. Slide to unlock. The indicator light turns green. It means unlock success. Let's use Shake to unlock again. The indicator light turns green, indicating that the Shake to unlock is successful. Let's demonstrate how to share the QR code again. Open the mobile app of a family member or friend, and the QR code of the account pops up. Now we use the main account to scan the QR code. Select the device to be shared. And confirm. Here is still available for time sharing. Share and share permanently. Let's demonstrate the time sharing. The date and time can be adjusted at will. Confirm. And share successfully. We will now use the QR code to share the successful account to unlock. Slide to unlock. and the indicator light turns green to indicate successful unlocking. Let's use shake to unlock again. The indicator light turns green, indicating that the shake to unlock is successful.